driving across the scorching deserts of Australia looks like a completely dead landscape. With absolutely zero houses or signs of human life on the surface. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today, we are traveling deep into the outback to explore Coober Pedy, a mysterious modern town where nearly 2,000 residents live completely underground inside secret hand-carved desert caves. This subterranean world wasn't built by accident, but absolute environmental survival. Coober Pedy is the opal capital of the world, supplying over 70% of the globe's precious opals. In 1915, miners rushed here for wealth, but quickly realized the desert above was unlivable, with brutal summer temperatures crashing past 50 degrees Celsius and violent dust storms destroying regular homes. To escape the deadly heat, the miners did something brilliant. They began carving their homes straight into the solid hillside rock. Today, these underground homes, called dugouts, feature fully functional modern kitchens, walk-in closets, and even underground bars and churches. The best part? These solid rock walls keep the temperature at a perfect, cool 24 degrees Celsius all year round, with absolutely zero electricity or air conditioning required. Coober Pedy proves that human adaptation knows no bounds when resources and survival meet. Would you ever feel safe sleeping in a bedroom carved 18 feet deep inside a dark desert rock? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and map out the globe with us. See you next time.